Hi, Miss Rua. So this is your first lesson. We want to learn a very important song. It's called Pfumvu Paruzevha. It's a famous song that was done by Thomas Mapfumo, and we'll get into some of that discussion a little later. But for now, the most important thing is to learn the song and understand the mbira, the instrument, through playing that song. So the way we're going to do it, we're going to split the song into phrases. So there are two phrases, and when the two phrases are combined, they make one cycle. And when you play the song, you keep on playing those cycles continuously, and then that's pretty much the song. So the first phrase, and I'll teach the left side and then the right side, and then we'll develop them. So the first phrase on the left, you go. So that's the first phrase. Okay. And then the second phrase, and I will do it again. So this is the song. You have to hear the pitches going up. Do, 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 do. That's the first phrase. Then do, 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 do. And you play it continuous. So this is it on the left side. That's all we're going to do for now. Now on the right side, we're going to play just two notes, this one and this one. And this one, we call it number one. We ignore this one is a special key, so we count from this one, 1 and 2. And so for the first phrase, you play 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you move to this one, 5, 6. So that makes the first phrase. And then the second phrase, you play everything on this first note. That's the second phrase. And so the way you, and just to make sure you got it, the first phrase, the second phrase. And so the way you combine the left side and the right side, for a start, you play everything together. So you go. Again. That's the first phrase. And then the second phrase. So the second phrase, everything you're playing on R1. That's it. And so when you play the song continuously, so there you go. You've got a song, Pfumvu Paruzevha. Now the next step is, instead of playing the notes together simultaneously at the same time, you split the notes. So we are playing, instead of that you go, it's exactly the same notes, but you play the left hand first, followed by the right hand, alternating. So if you do that for all the phrases, the first phrase becomes, and the second phrase becomes, and then if you play continuously, So this is a song. So the humming is important for you to understand the rhythm of the song. So we're going do 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 do, and then the second phrase do 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 do, and so if you hum with the song, you make sure you understand where you are, but then it also allows you to start introducing some variations. So you could go do 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 do. So you can find those notes. This is where we started. So this is it. So yep, you learn the song, you hear it in your head, do 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 do. Then the second phrase, do 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 do. Then you learn these two notes on the right, and you play simultaneously, and then you split the notes. And then you learn how to accompany using humming your voice, adding your voice, and then that opens up the space to add some variations. And then the humming also opens up the space for you to sing later on with the song. But for now, this is enough for a start. Thank you. Bye-bye.